kuha tayo ng rhubarb sa garden natin, mga palangga, para dalhin natin kay mother-in-law. Kasi pupunta kami kay mother-in-law and then bibigyan din namin. Oops, sorry.
Can you just shut this window?
Okay. And bibigyan din namin siya ng cheesecake.
No, can you do that?
His face. Maginaw ngayon. Hala! Tingnan niyo yan, mga palangka.
Oh!
I'm getting excited.
This is the biggest.
I'm getting excited. Wow! Hala! Kalami ani, oy. Ang sarap-sarap nito. May bunga na siya, mga palangga.
That's not very good, that one, but that's alright. Look at these.
Wow!
Look at the cauliflowers. Whoa!
So yan, meron na tayong,
This is ready.
meron ng bunga yung
This is
ating,
ready for eating.
is it?
Oh, look, unless you want it bigger. You can go bigger, won't it?
Let's check our cauliflower. A bit bigger, sweet.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
grown quickly, very
Oh,
quickly
okay.
now.
Yeah.
So,
Hala, na-shock talaga ako na may bunga na yung ating raspberry. Ah, here. Meron din siya. Oh, dito. Dito underneath. Dali lang, ha? Wala ka, mga palangga. Wow. Yan. And then, tingnan nyo yan. Yan. Ito, hindi siya masyadong, mga palangga, hindi siya masyadong perfect. Yan. Pero ha, maraming bunga, ha? And dito naman si Mr. Harvest tayo ng mga rhubarb. Get plenty, sweetheart. So that she can give it to her friends. I will pick one more. Oh! Oh no! So ito, mga palangga, another harvest ng ating rhubarb. Yan. I cannot wait to try our raspberry. Na-excite talaga ako. Be careful with that, Han. Bibigyan natin si mother-in-law ng slice. Slice ng cheesecake. Depende yan sa inyo, mga palangga, kung gusto nyo na ba ilagay yung toppings nyo. Kasi sa na-observe ko, makalat siya, mga palangga, kasi yun na nga, yung toppings natin, yung idea ko talaga is sana magsisit siya sa top, pero hindi siya nagset. Pero kung nagset sana to, hindi siya masyadong makalat. Pero, anyway, yun na nga, meron kayong option. Pwede nyo siyang hindi muna lagyan ng ganito sa top. Ano na lang, plain ganito lang yung biscuit natin at yung cream natin. And then kung gusto niya na lang kumain ng slice, then tsaka nyo na ipopour yung toppings niyo. Yan. So pwede nyo ring gawin na ganyan. So, ito yung bag na paglalagyan natin ng ating rhubarb. Madami-dami ito, mga palangga, ha? Oh, kailangan din natin magdala ng toilet paper. Kasi naghingi pa si mother-in-law. Get some toilet paper. Ang dami nito, uy! Tingnan niyo, ang bigat-bigat. Matutuwa talaga si mother-in-law nito. We are here. Honey?
Yeah. I'll come round.
Thank you. Hindi ko kasi madadala yung rhubarb kasi nakahawak ako ng cheesecake and nakahawak ako sa camera. Sorry, sweet. Are you going somewhere?
I'm going for a crap. This is bad plan.
I know. I just realized. I lay down the rhubarb and tingnan nyo yan. Show them. Yeah, that's a bad plan. I hope lang magustuhan to ni mama-in-law. Do you think mama will like this, son?
You can go first. So I'll bring you your dessert.
Your dessert. Nandito na tayo sa bahay. And tingnan nyo yan. Sibyanan. Binigyan kami ng homegrown potato. Yes, please. Ito na. Kakainin natin yung last piece ng cheesecake. Papasensyahan nyo na. Ito yung tinakip ko dito sa ating cheesecake kasi wala kaming proper na yung pancake talaga, mga palangga pa. So, ito na lang yung natira sa ating cheesecake.
Just enough.
Yeah. Thank you. Mr. is having
A large piece.
a double cream with it. So which one do you prefer, the strawberry or the blueberries?
Blueberry.
Okay. You quite clearly said to me that you don't like blueberries.
Yeah, well,
And now you change your mind.
I'm not used to where you've done it like a professional.
Okay. Yeah, to be fair, I'm happy with this mga palangga because it's good daw, sabi ni Mr. which is good kasi na-appreciate niya.
Of course I appreciate it, always.
Tingnan nyo yan. A little bit then.
You don't have to.
Just on the side, sweet. That's it. And the rest of the cream, I will use that for the mushroom.
Where's my spoon?
The next day.
What is that?
Special delivery.
What is
When's your
it?
birthday?
I don't know.
Well, it's next month, isn't it? When's our anniversary? A month after that.
Yeah.
Oh well. Just happy.
What is that?
Secret.
I look haggard at the moment.
Oh, you don't have to. Let's open it. Open.
I will.
Open. Look at her. She just got out of bed. Look at her.
What is this?
You'll have a look. Have a look.
Oh, a cup.
This
This
is
is the one that you... Thank you, hon.
for shooting.
This is the one I said I like it.
Look at that. Oh yeah.
It needs adjusting.
Yeah, well, you can do that bit.
Thank you. You did not say that you bought this.
No, secret.
Hang on.
I'm hanging on.
Needs adjusting.
Yeah, he's adjusting.
Hang on, hon.
She's hanging on.
Does it suits me?
It's fine. By the time you get your hair done and that, you'll be absolutely fine and your glasses on and everything.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I look so haggard.
See? Look. Browning logo.
Thank you.
There you go. Right.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you don't like it, you can send it back.
No, I like it.
Good. No, it's alright. You go with your jacket out actually. Good colour match.
So, gagawa ako ngayon ng bread. First time kong gumawa ng bread, pero itong paggawa natin ng bread ngayon, cheating siya kasi, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo! So, ready mix na siya ba na bread mix. You just have to add water. First time ko ding bumili ng ganito, kaya I hope mag-work siya. So, lalagay natin siya dito. And then, lalagyan natin ng 325 ml of warm water daw. Hala, oy, sana mag-work to. Gagawin ko siya ngayon kasi gusto ko na i-try namin to ngayong lunch. Parang ang daming tubig, no? Ba yun yung sabi eh. Minimix-mix ko muna siya gamit yung knife. Kasi sobrang basa pa niya mga palangga, oh. Ayaw ko munang hawakan. Mimix na natin siya by hand. So, lalagyan natin ng flour dito. Hala, uy, tingnan nyo yung kamay ko. So, ita-timelapse ko kayo mga palangga, ha? Kasi matagal-tagal pa tong proseso. Yung pag-need natin. So, ito na. Na-need ko na yung dough natin for 2 minutes. 2 minutes lang yung required niya. Ito yung gagamitin kong mold niya. Ito lang yung meron kasi ako. Sobrang messy mga palangka. Then, i-press-press lang natin para ma-fill yung corner. Hala, umuulan na naman ay. Non-stop na lang yung ulan. So, yan na siya. Kukuha lang ako ng cling film. And then, yung cling film natin, i-sprayhan ko siya para pag mag-rise na yung ating dough, hindi siya dumikit. Yan. At ilalagay natin siya dito. Yan. So, sabi dito, leave it for 30 to 40 minutes until the dough has double in size. Maglalagyan lang ako ng timer para hindi ko makalimutan ba. So, while na naghihintay tayo sa bread na tumubo, gagawin ko muna yung diary ko. So, ito yung diary ko for 2021. Yan siya mga palangga. Ang cute. Yan. Pink din siya. Ito yung 2020 na diary ko. Hindi naman talaga ako ma-diary noon mga palangga, pero since na nag-start akong magtrabaho, kailangan ko na talaga ng diary. I am lost without my diary. Kaya, ayun. Nagda-diary na ako. And, yung mga old diary ko, kinikip ko siya. And then, like sa 2019 na diary ko and sa 2020 na diary ko, kino-compare ko kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko last year, kung marami ba akong ginawa last year. So, yun, kinikip ko sila para makita ko and makompare ko kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko. So, ginagawa ko na ngayon siya para malaman ko kung ano yung gagawin ko next year at para mabook ko yung holiday ko for next year. Sa trabaho kasi, let's say for example ha, na meron akong allowed na 200 hours for this year, kailangan ko siyang gamitin mga palangga kasi yung hours na yan na allowed ako, hindi ko siya makikarry over for the next year. So sa ayaw ko man or sa gusto, hindi ko yan magagamit for the next year. Ang gagawin lang ng company, babayaran ka. Kung hindi mo siya mauubos lahat yung 200 hours mo, babayaran ka lang ng company. And yun na. Wala. So, for the next year, another 200 hours na naman. Or depende din yan sa ginagawa mong mga hours. Kaya, ayun. So, ito na. Tumubo na siya mga palangga. Oh, walang dumikit sa kanya. So, ilalagay na natin siya sa oven. I hope okay lang talaga to. Kasi medyo maliit yung ano natin, yung tin natin ba. Pero yun na nga, yung sabi ko, ito lang yung meron ako. Bye! I hope maging okay ka. Hindi ko malala if na-mention ko ba sa inyo na yung lunch namin ngayon is mushroom on toast. Kasi meron kaming mushroom dito. So, kailangan siyang gamitin kasi nag-start na siyang mag-brown. And meron din kasi tayong leftover na double cream. Magta 3 days na to dito. So, kailangan na siyang gamitin. 11 minutes na lang. I hope okay lang yung bread natin. Itong vlog na to, i-continue ko to nung nag-harvest tayo ng rhubarb na dinala namin para kay mother-in-law. May tumatawag. Hello? Yung signal, mahina. So, tapos na ako sa paghihiwa ng ating mushroom. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng butter. Yung signal mga palangga ang hina. Maglalagay tayo ng butter. Tansya-tansya na lang. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng pepper and garlic. Nagluto ko. I'm talking to my friend. He's hiding now. Say hi, oy! Oh, she's getting ready. Okay na na yung naong. Uy, gwapa naman ka. Oh, tara siya, oh. This is Rosa. Hi, Han. There you go. Lo, nagluto kong pandre, Rosa. Sandali lang, ha? Sandali lang, Rosa.
Hello. Okay. You don't need to go shy. Oh.
Whoa! Look at this! Ito na yung bread natin. Do you think this is Coke?
Oh, yeah.
It looks good.
It looks delicious.
It looks delicious.
Bread.
It's okay now, I think.
Well, if it's not, it's not.
Shall I put this a bit longer? 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 more minutes.
A bit more. Come on.
To make it sure na cook talaga siya, ibabalik ko muna siya sa oven for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Lalagyan ko na siya ng cream. Yan. So, 5 minutes is up. I hope lang talaga luto na to. It looks good naman. Honey! You need to remove this. Laoy. Unsure ako dito mga loves. Pero, yeah, it's looking good. It smells good.
The moment of truth.
Yeah. Whoa!
Ipaigog dyan ko ninyo naman.
It's ready. Wow.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Masarap.
Masarap.
How many pieces are you wanting?
Just 2. Thank you. How many pieces do you want?
Fresh bread. Can't beat it.
So, ito na yung lunch namin. Just an update. So, ito na yung bread natin. Malamig na siya. Sobrang soft niya mga loves. Kanina kasi, nung nag-vlog tayo, kinakausap ko yung kaibigan ko, and yun, hindi na ako masyadong update sa inyo ng mabuti kasi yung focus
Have
ko,
some coffee with your bread, dear.
yung focus ko sa kaibigan ko. Kasi minsan lang talaga kami makapag-usap online kasi yung signal hindi din the best. And then, of course, yung time difference. So, ayun.
Just try a little piece.
Grab na namin yung opportunity. Tignan yung buko.
Better cold.
It is better cold. Earlier, when we're having our lunch, the bread is still warm.
We stop fingering. Seeing you picking your nose.
Don't say that to them, honey. Oy.
She's like this.
No, I don't do
And then
that.
she's all over bread. I'm joking, darling. You know me. Don't fall over.
I like this cold.
Far nicer cold.
And the color is so perfect. Well, well, that's what I think. It's good, isn't it? What is the Tagalog of I love you?
Mahal kita.
He's learning.